How to fix Canon machine error code E0190002. The Canon machine error code E0190002 indicates a problem with the printhead alignment or the ink cartridge system. This code can appear due to various reasons such as incorrect installation of the printhead or ink cartridges, clogged printheads, or issues with the printer's calibration. Step 1. Understanding the causes. To resolve the error code E0190002, it is essential to understand the possible causes. The error can occur due to physical obstructions, incorrect printer settings, or issues with the printhead or ink cartridges. Identifying the root cause will help in applying the correct solution. Step 2. Checking the printhead and ink cartridges. Begin by checking the printhead and ink cartridges for any signs of damage or blockage. Ensure that the printhead is installed correctly and the ink cartridges are properly seated. If the printhead is clogged, try cleaning it gently with a soft cloth or replace it if necessary. Step 3. Resetting the printer. Resetting the printer can often resolve the error code E0190002. To reset the printer, turn it off, wait for a few seconds, and then turn it back on. This will restart the printer and may clear the error code. Step 4. Calibrating the printer. If resetting the printer does not work, try calibrating the printer. Calibration involves adjusting the printer's settings to ensure accurate printhead alignment. Refer to the user manual or manufacturer's instructions for calibration procedures specific to the Canon printer model. Step 5. Updating the printer drivers. Outdated or corrupted printer drivers can cause the error code E0190002. Update the printer drivers to the latest version available on the Canon website. This will ensure that the printer is running with the most current software and may resolve the error. Step 6. Contacting Canon support. If none of the above steps resolve the error code E0190002, it is recommended to contact Canon support for further assistance. The support team can provide guidance specific to the printer model and help resolve the issue. Best practices. To avoid the error code E0190002 in the future, regularly clean and maintain the printer. Update the printer drivers, and ensure correct installation of the printhead and ink cartridges. Additionally, refer to the user manual for troubleshooting guides and manufacturer's instructions for maintenance and repair.